Tanu, what have you done to your room? Clean it immediately.
Yeah, Mom, we'll do it in 5 minutes.
Why are you so lazy?
What's the rush, Mom?
Ugh!
Are you also lazy like her? Change your habit and learn something new today. We are going to talk about lazy idioms and expressions. Number 1 is lazy as a toad. See, a person who does absolutely nothing for hours, we use this for them. I'm sure your mom would have definitely used this line on you at least once. Let me know very honestly. Comment below what's your mom's favorite dialogue. So let's look at a few examples. I was lazy as a toad all weekend and didn't finish a single task. Guilty. He is lazy as a toad and keeps saying he'll do it later. Yes, I'm talking about you, by the way. Number 2, lazy fever. Being in a state of extreme laziness. I think I have got a lazy fever today. I just don't feel like working at all. Don't sit on the sofa too long or you will get lazy fever. Number 3 is let the grass grow under your feet. Now this is an interesting one and it means to not take action or do something when you should. Let's look at some examples. Don't let the grass grow under your feet. Start preparing for your exams today. Number 4 is deadbeat. Someone who avoids any kind of work or even responsibilities. Stop being a deadbeat and start taking your studies seriously. He was called a deadbeat because he never took responsibility for his work. Okay, now a word of caution. Don't forget, deadbeat is a slang term and can sound rude or insulting, so use it only in informal conversations and avoid using it for your elders, teachers, or in professional settings. Understood? Okay, moving on to the next one. A couch potato. Now this is a very famous one. This is one of the most common lazy idioms and is used to describe a person who likes to lay around on the couch or sofa and watch television. Is that your favorite hobby? Let me know in the comments. Now let's look at a few examples. Stop being a couch potato and come play outside. He's not lazy at work, but at home he's a total couch potato. So this is it from my side. Don't just stay lazy, stay motivated. And the best way to stay motivated is to be around the right people. Right people? वो कहाँ मिलेंगे? At PlanetSpark. See, at PlanetSpark, we have trained teachers who provide one-on-one online classes for your child. We help children conquer stage fear, improve public speaking, and build strong spoken English. Skills that truly matter in 2026 and beyond. So degrees and diplomas are important, but they work best when combined with confidence and communication skills. You've come to the right platform. Now let's get to the best part. Our first class, that means your trial class, is going to be absolutely free. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Do check that out. Book the first class, try it for yourself, sit with your child, and then take a call. So if you're ready, go for it. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning.